Monday meeting with the cat CEO. Let's begin. Who messed up the catnip quarterly report? CEO Whiskers. MBA in Neoeconomics. I said buy the catnip stock. Mute button strikes again. Everyone on Zoom freezes in shock. One person spills coffee. Also, someone refill my water bowl. Power. Chaos. Hydration. Cat stands, walks across desk dramatically, tail swishing. This is our new marketing strategy. Chase it. Cat knocks over a stapler. Sighs deeply. I'm surrounded by kittens. Corporate clause coming soon to HR. Where is my emergency tuna pouch? Tuna has gone missing. Cat CEO slams paw on desk. Eyes glowing slightly. Someone has committed a federal food crime. Crime, tuna theft. Sentence, TBD. Grainy black and white clip of Jerry the Ferret Intern running with a pouch of tuna. Caught. In. The. Act. Should we fire him? Cat CEO swivels chair dramatically. No. We demote him to unpaid nap scheduler. Corporate justice is served. Jerry, in turn, demoted. Crimes, embezzling tuna. Crimes against snackmanity.